A soft sunrise drapes a tranquil valley as a single sea buckthorn shrub glows with amber berries and gentle morning mist. Close-ups reveal thorny branches, silvery leaves, and bright orange fruit bathed in a warm cinematic glow. Text captions list 3 benefits: supports immune health, vitamin C powerhouse, and gentle skin nourishment. The frame shifts to a calm riverside where berries are harvested with care as light sparkles on dewy leaves. The final caption fades in slowly, inviting viewers to follow for daily healing wisdom.